Accidental deletion, upgrades, or factory resets can put your Vivo data at risk. In this video, we'll show you how to back up and restore your Vivo phone easily and securely. Option 1. How to back up and restore Vivo phone via Android backup and restore fast. For a reliable way to back up and restore your Vivo device, try Mobikin Backup Manager for Android. It securely backs up data to your computer and restores it to any Android device without data loss. Step 1. Launch. After downloading and installing the software, launch it. Connect your Vivo phone to the computer using USB or Wi-Fi. If necessary, stick to the on-screen guide to enable USB debugging on the device. Then this program will detect your device soon. Step 2. Select the Backup option from the main interface, and you'll see different data types on the interface. Next, choose the content you wish to back up and specify an output folder to save the backup items. Step 3. Backup. Click the Backup button to initiate the data copy. Wait for a moment, and you will be notified once the data backup is complete. Step 4. Restore. To restore the backup to your Vivo phone or any other compatible device, connect your device to the computer. Click the Restore button from the interface and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration. Option 2. How to back up Vivo phone to PC and restore it with vivoCloud. Open vivoCloud after installation. Tap Login to access your account, or create one with your email and a verification code. Once logged in, select data types like contacts or calendars and sync them to vivoCloud. Restore. Open vivoCloud and log in. View synced data and choose the file types to restore to your device. Option 3. How to back up and restore Vivo via Vivo PC Suite. Backup. Enable USB debugging and developer options. Connect phone to PC and open Vivo PC Suite. Select data. Choose a folder. Click Backup. Restore. Connect phone. Open Vivo PC Suite. Click Restore. Pick Backup file and data, then start Ray. Option 4. How to back up and restore Vivo phone using Google Drive. Backup. Connect your Vivo phone to Wi-Fi and sign into your Google account. Go to Settings, Accounts and Sync Google. Select your account or add one. Choose data types to sync, then tap Sync Now to back up to Google Drive. Restore. Open Google Drive app or website and sign in with your backup account. Find your device's data, select it, and click Restore to recover your files.